Well, what was, or I mean, what struck me most is the, his passion on the promotion of peace through education. Okay, and he also mentioned about the importance of intercultural collaboration, uh, interfaith dialogue, because one of the reason why the world is in conflict is because of religion, for that matter. Um, while in Christianity, while they are using one Bible, but they have different interpretations and leading to some conflicting ideas and conflicting opinions amongst these different religions. And another one is that peace education is not only limited to teaching it in colleges, in basic education, but also has to be taught among the leaders of the country. Um, so there must be workshops for the leaders to appreciate the significance of peace education or peace insofar as governance is concerned. So those are the things that I have remember insofar as his message is concerned.